Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're gonna have the revision of quarter one, grade 9. So let's start. Here I have, let's start with the parallel lines and the transversal. So let's have here when we have parallel lines. So I have what? I have here and another line here that intersects the two lines. So we got what? We got here some relationships between the angles. So the first relation, this one, if I have here with other color, the letter Z. So this letter Z, this is what? This is Bravo. This is internal alternate interior angles. This is alternate interior angles. What about here? So the angle 4 and angle 6, the relation between them is what? It's alternate interior angles. What about here 3 and 5? 3 and 5 also the alternate interior angle. So when I have here inside the two lines, line M and line N, I have this is interior. What about here if I say angle 2 and angle 8? So angle 2 and angle 8, the relation between them is alternate exterior angles. What about here angle 3 and 6? 3 and 6. So we have here U. Okay, so this one is consecutive interior angles, the sum of them 180. What about here? If I have here this corresponding, right, the letter F is corresponding to. So 3 and 7 is corresponding angles and they are equal. So if I have here in this one, this is complementary. So this box we know 90-degree perpendicular. So if I ask you what about WUV, WUV angle is 90 minus the given 132. What about here the supplementary? Yes, this is the supplementary angle. It will be 180 minus 91 because here straight angle supplementary 180. Remember that? Okay. What about this? This is the vertical opposite angle. So I have here, this is 111 and this is x plus 15. So I will say that x plus 15 equals what? 111, right? And I will take 15 to the other side, x equal 115 minus 111 minus the 15, which gives me 96. So this is the value of x. We have here vertical opposite angles. Let's have here systems of equations. A quick revision about that. I have here, if he asks me to find the value of x and y, so it's very easy. We have here two equations. The first here step, I will have to put x's under each other and y's under each other and then solve the equation. I want to eliminate here just one variable, which is easier to eliminate. We have here x and we have here negative 3x and I have y, positive y and positive y. So it's very what do you think? What should we do? We can here eliminate y because this is without any coefficient. So let's here eliminate here y. I'm going to do what? I'm going to multiply the second equation by negative y to be the additive inverse of what? Of positive y to eliminate it. So I will multiply negative times what? Negative times the whole equation here, the whole equation, all terms inside the equation. Okay guys, so I'm going to do what? Negative times negative gives me positive 3x. Negative times negative, here this negative times positive here will give me, yes, will give me negative y, and then negative times here positive gives me what? Gives me negative. So I have the new equation. This is called the new equation. Positive 3x minus y equal negative 2 as seen here, and then I will put them under each other like this to eliminate what? Y. That's what I wanted to do first. So I have here x plus 3x 4x, 6 minus 2, 4. I want to get now the value of x. Divide both by the coefficient of x, which is 4. Divided by 4, divided by 4, give me here x equal 1. After I get the x equal 1, what should I do? I will substitute in the easier equation and then get the value of y. Then y here equals what? Here, instead of x, I will put 1. 1 plus y equals 6, so y will be 5. And I have another here question, example about this. So I have here another one, vertical opposite angles. As we see, I have this is angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. 72 equals what? To x plus 4y, given as here expression. So I want here to get the value, okay, to write the equations. So the first equation, to x plus 4y, gives me here the opposite one, 72. And I have another one here, which is 5x plus 2y, will give me what do you think, guys? So this is 72. What about this one? This will be 108, because I have supplementary angles. Here I have this one and I have supplementary angles. So 72 plus what gives me 180? I will say 180 minus the 72. This gives me 108. Okay, guys? Okay, so if I know that this is 108, so it's opposite to 5x plus 2y, they are equal to each other. So I have here the two equations are ready now. Okay, after that, I have what? I have to eliminate one. Yes, I have to eliminate one variable. So what should I do? I have here 2x and I have 5x, 4y and 2y. So it's very easy to do what? I'm here going to multiply negative 2 by this one, the 2y. Okay, so negative 2 times positive 2y gives me negative 4y. So this one will be the opposite of positive 4y, so I can eliminate it. But remember, I will multiply by negative 2 the whole equation. So negative 2 times 5x gives me negative 10x. I have here negative 2 times positive 2y, negative 4y, and then negative 2 times 108 gives me negative 216. What should I do? The second step, I will eliminate both together, and then I will say to myself 2x minus 10x, negative 8x equals negative 216 plus 72 gives me 144. So x will be 18. Then substitute in any easy other equation. So I will put here 18 and instead of x, so I will say 2x plus 4y. Instead, in this one, I will substitute it, for example, in this one, 2 times, instead of x, I will say 18. 2 times 18 plus 4y equals 72, and then answer this. Okay, guys, I have another one here. Okay, so if I ask you here, 3x plus 2y equal 19, x plus y equal 8. This is another one. Pairs of lines. Okay, let's have this one. Pairs of lines. If I have here same slope, remember that we mentioned this before, same slope and different y-intercept. We remember that y equal mx plus b, all of you. Yep. So if I have the same slope, same m, and a different y-intercept, which is b, so this is what? Parallel lines. What about the intersecting? Different, just slopes, different slopes, so they are intersecting. What about coinciding? When I have what? The rule, very important here, same slope m and same y-intercept b. If I have here this question, y equal to x plus 3, and I have another line here, y equal to x minus 1. So how can I know? I have here what? I have here same slope, so they are what? And different y-intercept, so they are parallel. What about this one? I have y equal 3x minus 5, 6x minus 2y equal 10. So I will say y equal 3x minus 5, and the other one I should write it in the order of what? Y equal mx plus b. So I will start with negative 2y equal 6x will go to the other side, negative 6x, and I have plus 10. I need y alone, so I will divide by the coefficient, divide by 2, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. So y equal positive 3x plus what? Minus 5. So when I have this answer like this, they have what? The same slope 3, okay, in both lines, and I have also here negative 5, and I have here negative 5, so they are here what? They here coincide, same slope, same y-intercept. So remember, where if I want here to find the relation between them, I have to convert this into what? Into the right order of the rule, which is y equal mx plus b. Okay, so this, the order is very important. Start with y and then mx plus b. I have here one line pass through the points, given the points here negative 3 and 14, 1 and negative 2. So when I'm giving you the points like this, we know that we are going to use which rule? The rule of the points. We have here y sub 2 minus y sub 1, or I can say y sub 1 minus y sub 2, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. If I started with y sub 1, I will start here with x sub 1. If I started with y sub 2 minus y sub 1, here, and I have to write here x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Miss, did do this give does this gives me the give me the same answer? Right, it gives you the same answer. Okay, guys. So, and where is here the x's and the y's? Here I have x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, easy one, I think so. So I have here x and y, and I have here let's write this again. Okay, so x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So I can say negative 2 minus 14 over what? Over 1 minus negative 3. And I can say also, it will be here, I can start with 14. If I started with y 1, 14 minus what? Minus negative 2 all over here negative 3 minus 1. So it will give me the same answer for the first line, and then I will do it for the second line. So I will see that I will have the same slope. Okay, the second line, guys, if you don't see this, this is here 0, negative 3, negative 2 and 5. So I have here x sub 1, and I have here y sub 1, and this one y x sub 2, x sub 2, y sub 2 for the second line. Then substitute in the rule, and here it will give you the same slope, negative 4 and negative 4. When I have the same slope, this is what? This is here the I will tell I will tell him that the two lines are parallel, and they, because they have the same slope. I hope you understood everything. If you have any question, please send me on the SCL. Don't panic, the exam is very easy. Bye bye.